This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click. How to unlock your Android's pattern or pin lock? Actually, there are 6 methods from which you can unlock your phone's pattern or pin lock. The first 2 methods which I are going to show you will factory reset your phone, so of course you are going to lose all your data. And the last 4 methods are for the advanced users. The first method is Find My Device. Open your favorite browser on your phone or desktop and then go to google.com/android/find. You can check out the video description for the direct link. Here log in with the same Gmail account that is currently on the phone whose pattern or pin lock you have forgotten. You will see details about your phone. At the bottom you will see Erase Device option, click on it. Again click Erase Device. And at last confirm your Gmail password to erase the data on your phone. The second method is using hardware keys. We can factory reset our phone from the stock recovery by clicking several keys combination. Most of us don't know how to enter into recovery mode of the phone. For this, just Google search by typing your phone's model and then recovery mode. For example, we have Lenovo K10 Note, so we'll enter Lenovo K10 Note and then recovery mode. Once you are here, navigate up and down through the volume keys as touchscreen won't work here, and make a selection using power key. To factory reset, just select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. The third method is for the advanced user using ADB commands. For that, your phone must be rooted and the USB debugging option must be enabled on your phone. If you are lucky enough and have your phone rooted and USB debugging enabled, the next step is to download USB drivers for your computer. For this, you can go to this website called adbdriver.com/downloads. You can check out the video description for the direct link. And once you have downloaded the drivers, install it on your computer. Once you have the drivers installed, search for CMD. You will see command prompt option. Turn it as the administrator. Now connect your phone to the computer using a USB cable. After that, we have to enter few ADB commands. Don't worry, you don't have to remember any of them. Just copy and paste them one by one from the description below. The fourth method is using ADB and SQLite commands. For this, you must have ADB drivers installed on your computer. Your phone must be rooted and the USB debugging option must be enabled on your phone. When everything is okay, go to command prompt or SQL command window. Connect your phone and copy and paste this line one by one from the description. The fifth method is using custom recovery. Here the only requirement is that you should have custom recovery installed. And if you have the custom recovery installed, boot into the recovery mode and then go to advanced, file manager, data system. And then delete this file one by one which is currently showing on your screen. For your convenience, you can take a screenshot. The last method is disable zip file. Just download the disable zip file from the description to your SD card. Then insert the SD card on your phone. Then boot your phone into the recovery mode. Select apply update from SD card option. And then flash the disable zip file. In the end, we want to thank Appolz.com for making this video possible. Everything shown in this video is taken from their article, so you can check out their website to know more about how you can unlock your phone. The link is given in the description. So this is all in this video. We hope you like it. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe us for the upcoming videos. If you have anything to say regarding this video, then please drop a comment in the comment section. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.